I could see this from up there. You see all these piles of rock? I mean, they're stacked like they're building walls. And they go on past that too. But they're piled up there. It's almost like a road up to it too. But
see, that was a little fucking turnout of the railroad. Right.
Should be going over this with the.
I know.
Oh, it is it's like a.
Yeah.
Need to get the fucking metal detectors out and get some fucking old iron spikes and shit.
There's a can.
Oh, this is awesome.
I'm surprised there's this much. Or you haven't seen the other road we were on. The railroad bed.
Yeah, that was a cool railroad bed too, though.
Okay.
Yes! Yes!
A railroad stake?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Fuck yeah, dude. That is fucking awesome.
Yay, found something.
Good job, Marie. That's exactly what I wanted to find. Old railroad spike. That is fucking pitching.
Yeah, this sucker's old.
Look at
There's
it,
some,
told
yeah.
you.
Another plate.
Another plate.
Oh, nice.
All kinds. They sell this shit on eBay too, you know.
I know.
Old mining stuff and railroad. Although I don't know about just hardware, but I can weld it.
This is bitching, dude. I want to get on.
Never even saw this one on Google. I couldn't find this area either. Looking for it.
I did. I found all that. I thought it was buildings, though. I was like, how is there a building on the side of a fucking mountain?
You should,
Oh, if that, in that case, and down here somewhere, there's a big pit, too, by the road.
there's a big tailing pile up here on the left, too, it looked like. I keep wandering way far away from the truck.
I know. I'm like, dude, we could get in the truck and drive on this.
Yeah, maybe down here. Look at it, though. I mean, it goes all the way up.
I know. Choo-choo, chugga-chugga. I'm a train, just cruising along on the tracks. Look at my truck.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to drive. There's something up here on the left. I don't know. It might just be another pit. But
I want to find another one of those thingies I found you, Dad.
Oh, there's a ton of them out here. We just need to get the metal detector out. We'll probably find a bunch.
That want me a souvenir, too.
you better find two more then.
Shiny!
All we need to do is get off the fucking... This spot looks fresh as I got, dude.
I don't know about freshly.
Well, I've been past fucking 20 years.
I don't know about 20.
The railroad was in motion 100 years ago.
I don't know about 100.
Shut up. You get slapped.
It was 100 years ago.
What year is it right now?
2010.
Gotta be...
Oh,
Look
no,
at...
it was more than 100 years ago. They dust it down and what?
Can't even see where the rails were, though.
I can still hear it coming.
That would be a trip. Four-wheel drive train.
This is so fucking
Okay.
awesome.
I mean, if they were petrified, that would be even cooler.
Oh, wow.
That would have been cool. I found me a circle thingy.
You know how hard it was for them to get wood out here? Back when there was no wood out here? And there was no train out here? And they needed to, like, get wood out here so they could bring the train out here? So they could bring the wood out here?
How they would get the train out here.
You know how hard that was?
That was, man.
Hey, the timbers that I saw. That wasn't from a mine, it was from a fucking train, dude.
It wears me out just thinking about it.
Daddy,
All the Chinamen out here? Yeah, I know. But,
I got a circle.
you found a circle.
Oh.
Ooh, there's termites.
Ew.
You found some termites?
Yeah. Ew.
Big ones?
No? I don't see it now. We're running out.
I don't know.
It's all squirmy looking.
Yeah, they like wood. Termites?
Especially when they're in a place where there is no wood.
Oh, that is weird. What are they doing out here? How
Huh.
did they get out here?
They must have come with the wood.
Why is this way over here?
Yeah, and why isn't my truck over here?
Oh, how am I going to get up on the road with my truck? I have to go down a ways here.
Just take the road.
Okay. Found a tire.
You know, this went right up. Oh, there's something up here. Oh, there's a pipe. Dude, here's a pipe for a pipe bomb. It's hooked up still. It's hooked up still. Oh, it goes right through here.